All right. Now we're doing TryHackMe, pre-security, how the web works, DNS in detail, task 2, domain hierarchy. All right. We've got this chart here. We've got the root level, which is the dot, root domain, which is the dot, which actually they don't even talk about. Top level domain, which is like the .edu, .com and whatnot. And then the second level domain, which is MIT, TryHackMe, Google, and you can guess the rest, or you can look at the rest. Anyway, let's go. So we got TLD, which is top level domain. So a TLD is the most right-hand part of a domain name. So for example, in the tryhackme.com thing right here, whatever we call it, web address, TLD is .com. So there are two types of TLDs, gTLD, which is generic top level, and CCTLD, which is country code top level domain, all right? Historically, a gTLD was meant to tell the user the domain name's purpose. For example, a .com would be for commercial purposes. .org for an organization, .edu for education, .gov for government, etc. And a CCTLD was used for geographical purposes. For example, .ca for Canada, .co.uk for sites based in the UK, and so on. I wonder, but where's the one for America, right? Why does the US not get one? Because we invented it. No, I'm kidding. They said they invented it. These guys said they invented it. So I don't know what the deal is. Anyway, I don't care. Who cares? Due to such demand, there is an influx of new gTLDs ranging from .online, .club, .website, .biz, and so many more. I've seen .io plenty of times. For a full list of over 2,000 TLDs, we can click here. And we will. And yeah, they got a ton of them. I would like to put a funny one, .adult. Oh, that's not cool. But you know what is cool, right? Hold on, I know it's here. What comes after? Oh, .cool. Anyway, so here we go. Second level domain. Taking tryhackme.com as an example, the .com part is the TLD and TryHackMe is the second level domain. Gotcha. When registering a domain name, the second level domain is limited to 63 characters plus the TLD and can only use A through Z, 0 through 9, and hyphens. And it cannot start or end with hyphens or have consecutive hyphens. Okay. Subdomain. So a subdomain sits on the left-hand side of the second level domain using a period to separate it. Okay. So for example, in the name admin.tryhackme.com, the admin part, this part right here, is the subdomain. A subdomain name has the same creation restrictions as the second level domain, being limited to 63 characters and can only use A through Z. 0 through 9 hyphens cannot start or end with hyphens or have consecutive hyphens, just like this one. Almost as if it was copied and pasted. Anyway, whatever. So we can use multiple subdomains split with period. What? Okay, hold on. We can use multiple subdomains split with periods to create longer names such as jupiter.servers.tryhackme.com, but the length must be kept to 253 characters or less. There's no limit to the number of subdomains we can create for our domain name. Okay. So what's the max length? 63. Let's see if that's right. It is. Which of the following characters cannot be used in the subdomain? Definitely the underscore. Let's see if we can just push submit. No, we got to actually type it out. Underscore. Ooh, okay. Submit it. There we go. So what's the maximum length of a domain name? 253. 253. 253. Submit. I don't understand why it's 253 and not 254. I mean, like it feels like they're starting counting from 0. But that doesn't make sense because how could it be 0? Anyway, whatever. So what type of TLD is .co.uk? What was it? cc.tld. Let's do it. Shut up. cc.tld. No dot. There we go. I said there we go. All right, there we go. Hey, congratulations. Blah, 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 blah. How? Yeah, go and do this. I recommend it. All right, close. All right. So now we're on to task 3, record types, and We'll see you next time.